If you're tired of fighting greasy sunscreen all the time when you're just outside for casual events, whether you're going to the beach or running or working outside or just going outside for the summer, this is a great ad for your summer add to cart collection. This is G4Free's LightBreeze. Now this is a beautiful shirt. It comes in 20 different colors plus a few extra, and it comes in extra small all the way up to 5X. Now how many shirts do you know have that option? And in so many different colors. It is made of polyester elastane, which is a perfect combination. Just, you can feel the softness. This is a smog blue, and I tell you, it is beautiful. I have it on here with some jeggings, and it certainly could be worn with leggings. It could be worn over a bathing suit. It could be worn to play tennis. But what I love is the cut. The cut is so nice. It's nice and snug on my arms, but not too snug, and it's just right across the chest with some looseness in the hip area. Now I could wear it tucked in and have it be a dressy shirt with a jacket and really make it a nice layering piece, or I can wear it out just like this because it has this nice slit hem, and the stitching is super fine. You can get a close-up look there. It is excellently stitched, and it is at a great price. Now this has been provided for me from G4Free for my honest opinion, and I love it. Take a look at that logo, and the best part about this is it is 50 SPF. So I am totally sun protected. Even though it's all the way to my wrist, I don't feel encumbered and I don't feel hot because it's made with dry wicking material. You will love this shirt. I think you want to get this in several different colors. It's just the right grab and go shirt. And look how cute it looks with the G4Free beach bag, which also comes in several different colors. Now I'm ready to go to the beach. This is an excellent cover up to wear over a bathing suit or just out and about for the day. I love this, I highly recommend it, and I hope you like this video and follow us to see more from this great brand and others like these.